It's really cold out. These things are awesome. Henry Ford knew what he was doing. These things always start. Alright, today at the Quick Speed Shop, we got the ultimate cold start video. It's very cold here. On my broken ass thermometer, it says about 6 degrees, and that's inside. Outside is about 3 with 20-mile-an-hour wind chill. And what we're going to do is take the 29 AA tow truck and try to do a cold start on it. It hasn't been started in 2 months, and it's real cold in here, as you can see by my breath. So let's try it out and see how it goes. This transmission has 600 weight gear oil in it. Watch out. That's putting it first gear and pulling it back in the second. If you can see that, it's super stiff. So I don't think I'm going to be rolling the tranny over, just the motor. What we're going to do is turn on the fuel. Turn on the fuel under the gas tank. I got an ignition switch. I hit that. That's on. The battery's on in the back. I am rolling with 12 volts instead of 6. So it's going to crank a little faster than the stock Model A with 6 volts, but it's still freaking cold in here. And over here on the dash is a choke rod. You're going to pull the choke out, pushing the clutch. I'm not going to mess with the spark. This is a spark advance and retard on the left. I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to pull my throttle down. My ignition's on. My fuel's on. And the foot start up here. I'm going to pull the choke rod out and give her a whirl and see if she goes. Here we go. Oh, hold on. Now you try that with a new car. Oh, this thing is 89 years old, and it starts up after a little whirligig and some cold. You try that with a new car. Let's give her another shot here. So that's it. You just saw this thing. I quit when I tried to let the clutch out because the tranny oil is so stiff that the little four-banger had trouble spinning over. But that's all right. This thing's tired. It's cold out. Henry Ford knew what he was doing. These old Ford A and AA trucks, they always start no matter how cold it is. So there you go. That's a cold start on a 1929 Ford AA tow truck in 4-degree weather. And if you like stuff like this, please subscribe.